Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English Learning video. Today we explore apps and books for improving your English. Want to improve your English skills but don't know where to start? In today's world, mastering the English language is more accessible than ever. With a myriad of resources at our fingertips, the challenge is no longer finding resources, but rather finding the right ones. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, it's crucial to find effective tools that match your learning style. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we explore different resources that can help you master the English language. In this digital age, learning apps have taken the lead in language learning. Let's dive into some of the popular English learning apps and explore what they bring to the table. First up is Duolingo. This app is like a playful tutor, turning language learning into a game with bite-sized lessons. It has a friendly interface and colorful graphics, but some may find its learning style a bit too casual. Next is Babbel. This app takes a more structured approach, focusing on conversation skills. It's great for those who want to practice speaking and listening. However, it might be a bit challenging for absolute beginners. Lastly, we have Rosetta Stone. This app is known for its immersive method, teaching English the way you'd naturally learn a language. It's a comprehensive tool, though some might find it a bit pricey compared to others. Remember, the best app is the one that suits your learning style and keeps you motivated. For some, the old school way is the best way. Let's talk about books and workbooks. When it comes to English learning, there's a plethora of books out there tailored for different levels. If you're a beginner, you might find English Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy extremely helpful. This book offers a structured approach to grammar, making it easy to understand and apply. Intermediate learners can turn to Advanced Grammar in Use, also by Murphy, to refine their skills further. If you're at an advanced level, check out The Oxford Guide to English Grammar. It's a comprehensive guide that dives deep into the nuances of the language. Workbooks like Understanding and Using English Grammar offer practical exercises to reinforce what you've learned. They allow you to progress at your own pace, providing immediate feedback on your understanding. Books provide a solid foundation, but remember to apply what you learn in real-world scenarios. The internet is a treasure trove of learning resources. If you know where to look, consider websites such as BBC Learning English, Coursera, and the British Council. Each of these platforms offers a unique approach to mastering the English language. BBC Learning English, for example, provides daily lessons, podcasts, and even interactive exercises, all designed to improve your English. Coursera, on the other hand, collaborates with top universities and organizations to offer free and paid courses, covering everything from basic English grammar to advanced writing skills. Not to be left out, the British Council offers a wide range of resources too. Their website features games, stories, listening activities, and grammar exercises. They even have a dedicated section for English learners at different levels. These online resources offer flexibility, allowing you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. But remember, consistency is key to making progress. So, establish a routine and stick to it, and you'll be mastering English in no time. Having a variety of resources at your disposal can make English learning a more enjoyable journey. Let's recap on what we've discovered today. Mobile applications like Duolingo and Babbel are fantastic tools for daily practice. They offer fun, interactive ways to learn English, making it feel more like a game than a chore. And the best part? You can use them whenever you have some spare time, even if it's just a few minutes a day. Books and workbooks, on the other hand, provide a more structured approach to learning. They allow you to dive deep into the intricacies of the English language, from grammar rules to vocabulary. With books like English Grammar in Use and Oxford Picture Dictionary, you can learn at your own pace, going back and forth as needed. Lastly, online websites and courses offer a wealth of supplemental resources. Websites like British Council and Coursera offer a variety of courses, from beginner to advanced levels. They also provide plenty of practice exercises and quizzes, which can help reinforce what you've learned. But remember, it's not about using all these resources at once. It's about finding a balance. Maybe use an app for daily practice, a book for structured learning, and websites for extra resources. You can mix and match according to your needs and preferences. Remember, the goal is to improve your English skills, so choose the resources that work best for you. Happy learning. P.